Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Tracy. I am the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms. And y'all, I apologize. I do not look YouTube worthy today. I'm so sorry. It's been one of those days. I have not felt good today. It's just been a comfy day. And I've had a headache all day. So I've just been bleh today. Okay? So y'all just bear with me, okay? I'm sorry. I don't like people seeing me like this. So anyway, but I am doing a quick little meal tonight. This is my number 3 video, hotel hack video, little quick meal. I'm just gonna show y'all what I'm doing. I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna go get something that's already like pre-made kind of, and I'll throw some vegetables with it. So I'll show y'all what I'm doing, okay? So let me turn y'all around here. I went to Kroger and I picked up a rotisserie chicken. I'm sorry, I've already took it out, y'all. I got it in the air fryer. I picked up a little rotisserie chicken, lemon pepper flavored from Kroger. I threw that baby in here. And I am crisping it up just a little bit and warming it up some more so it'll be warm and fresh by the time my sweetheart gets here. So I'm just warming it up in the air fryer. And y'all, all I did tonight was I chopped up an onion, a bell pepper, a squash, and a zucchini. And I threw it all in the Instant Pot with some seasonings and some zesty Italian salad dressing, because I love that flavor, y'all. And I'm just going to saute these up. And y'all, this is going to be supper tonight, okay? On your Instant Pot, if y'all probably knew this, but in your Instant Pot, if you put things on the saute mode, it's the same thing as having a frying pan, y'all. I'll turn y'all around again, talk to y'all. I'm sorry, I still have a headache. I haven't felt good today. If y'all will use the saute feature on your Instant Pot, it is the same thing as having a frying pan. You know, like, here's an idea. I follow this young girl on YouTube, and that's all she does is meals and stuff. And she has like this series of one pot meals. And seriously, I've got one pot there. You can make one pot meals in your Instant Pot by using your pot in there and your saute feature. I'm just sauteing up those vegetables with some Italian dressing and crisping that chicken up, getting it warm. And y'all, that's all. That's gonna be supper tonight. So I'm sorry this video was quick, and that's just another little quick meal for y'all. Just throw you in some vegetables in there, fry them up in there. Oh, y'all, you can use your saute feature on your Instant Pot, and you can fry chicken. You can fry pork chops. You can check into it, y'all. I mean, you got one pot there. Even if you're not in a hotel or something like that. Y'all, these are not just for hotels and camping and stuff like that. Your Instant Pot, you just want to do something quick when you get home and you've been at work all day long, but you still got kids and a family to feed. These are quick, y'all. Start watching some videos of air fryer and Instant Pot meals. Y'all, these are quick and easy to use. I just tripped my breaker on my, not the breaker, but let me unplug the air fryer. I guess I can't run both of these at the same time. Takes too much power. All right, but let's turn the Instant Pot back on because I need to finish these vegetables. Okay, so I'll finish the chicken in a minute. I'll check it. Anyway, it is like you got a frying pan there. You've got a slow cooker, because you can use your Instant Pot as a slow cooker, as I said in my last video. You've got steam. You've got pressure cooker. It's all on there, y'all. It's so simple. So that's my meal for tonight. It's just gonna be really simple. I don't feel good today. So I'm gonna throw some little cherry tomatoes in there, and for my husband, he can have him some little roasted tomatoes with his. I don't like tomatoes like that raw. I'm going to finish sauteing these up, and I'm going to crisp this chicken up, y'all, and then we're going to chow down. I'm sorry it was a short video today, but while I was doing it, I just wanted to give y'all another meal idea. So I hope y'all have a blessed day, and take care. See y'all in the next one.